Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make lobster pots. Start by gathering your materials. You'll need galvanized or PVC-coated wire mesh, rebar for the frame, and various fasteners. Don't forget your tools, such as heavy-duty wire cutters, pliers, and a measuring tape. Selecting the right mesh size is crucial for legal compliance and effective trapping. Next, let's build the frame. Cut your rebar into the necessary lengths for the base and sides of your pot. Bend the rebar to form a strong, rectangular, or square base. Once shaped, securely weld or fasten these pieces together, ensuring the frame is robust enough to withstand underwater conditions. Now, it's time to cover your frame with mesh. Cut the wire mesh panels to precisely fit each side. Use hog rings or heavy-duty zip ties to securely attach the mesh to the rebar frame. Remember to construct an effective entrance funnel, allowing lobsters to enter the pot, but making it difficult for them to escape. For the final touches, install a secure bait holder inside your pot. This keeps the bait accessible to lobsters. Crucially, integrate escape vents of the correct size to allow undersized lobsters to exit, complying with regulations. Finally, attach a sturdy rope and buoy for easy retrieval from the water.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.